Hello everyone, this is Alex from Senieer. Throughout this video, we are going to talk about OEB. So let's get started. Today our topic is OEB levels. OEB has 5 levels, so we can divide into 5 parts. Today we are gonna talk about part 1. OEB is a process of assigning chemicals into bands or orders grounded on a chemical's toxicological energy and the threat of adverse health goods associated with exposure. For each handle, simply rating the correct OEB means little without understanding the available constant option for each band's. OEB level 1. This is the smallest OEB position, where the toxin of the material won't present a hazard to the drive. Accordingly, constant may be limited to simple original but of ventilation. For illustration, opening a barrel in well-voiced process room should give a suitable working train. Every Thursday we are going to post OEB content. If you are interested, you can subscribe our channel to stay with us. Like, share and comment in our channel will inspire us to make videos more and more. Thanks for watching.